So you guys remember before we placed an order in this platform, right, we had 3,887 followers, right? As you can see, we still have 3,887 followers. So how then do we know that these followers have started coming? All we need to do is to just drop down right here and refresh, and boom, you can see we currently have 3,906 followers, which means that these followers have started coming in easy peasy. Guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I was able to get 5,000 followers on TikTok, right? And it's very easy. All you need to do is to just make sure that you watch this video from beginning to the end. So what I did is that I came to this website they call growbetter.net, right? As you can see right here on the screen, all you need to do is to come to this platform, create an account, and do exactly the same thing I just did, and you'll be able to get these followers. So if you want to create an account, all you need to do is to come to this sign up right here. Can you see the sign up right here? Just tap on it, and once you tap on sign up, they're going to bring you to this place. All you need to do is to create a username, right? And they'll put your email right here, and create a password right here, and confirm your password right here, right? So after you've confirmed your password, the next thing you need to do is for you to click on the sign up right here, and your account is going to be created, and it's very easy, right? Because I already have an account, there's no need for me to start creating a new account. So all I need to do right now is for me to actually log into my account and show you guys exactly how to use this platform. So let's go. So once you log into the account, this is exactly how it look like, right? You can see right here on the screen. So the first thing we need to do is for us to actually come to this category right here. Can you see this category right here? Tap on it and look for TikTok followers, right? So right here you can see TikTok followers, right? And I like using this particular one, this TikTok followers 10% drop, right? Can you see? You need to tap on it, and once you tap on it, come to this service right here. Can you see this service right here? Just tap on it, and once you tap on the service, just tap on it. The first one, I like using the first one, and read the description. Description is actually what describe the service. Description actually stated that the quality is worldwide profile, and start time is instant, and the speed is 20k followers a day. So you can actually get up to 20,000 followers a day. And right here they say the refill is 10 days, and the important note they said, when the service is busy, the starting speed of the process may vary. Do not place second order on the same link before your current order is completed in the system. So when you place an order, a size patient, your order is going to complete, right? Because if you place another order on that same link, you're going to contradict it, and none of them is going to deliver, right? So the next thing is to come to this spread the rule link and insert your link, your profile link, right? So in case you don't know how to copy your link, let me show you guys how to do that. So let's go to TikTok. So right now I'm on my TikTok, right? If you want to actually copy your link, the first thing you need to do is for you to come to this arrow up here. Can you see this arrow up here? Just tap on it. And once you tap on it, come to this copy link right here. Can you see this copy link right here? Just tap on it. And once you tap on it, right, you just need to, your link is already copied, right? But I want to show you guys something. Before we place an order in this platform, we had 3,887 followers, right? You know, 3,887 followers. So you need to mark it, because we're going to come back right here for you to see that these followers are going to actually increase. So let's go. You know, so once you come back to Grow Better, just paste your link. And once you paste your link, come to this quantity right here and put the amount of followers you want, right? In this video, I just want only 100. I just need to insert 100. And once you're done putting that, come and click on this submit right here. Can you see this submit right here? Just tap on it. And once you tap on it, you can see right here, they say our order have been received, right? So all we need to do right now is for us to actually size patient and these followers to start coming to the account. But before then, I want you guys to understand that whatever you're doing in this platform is not free. You need to pay money for you to actually get them. So how then do you fund account in this platform? Is very easy. All you need to do is to come to this three line up here. Can you see this three line up here? Tap on it, and by left hand side, come right here and click on this add fund right here. Can you see this add fund right here? Tap on it and come to this dot right here. Can you see this dot right here? Tap on it, and you can see the two payment option in this platform, which is Pay and manual. You can use any of them. So I'm going to show you guys how to use both of them. So if you want to use Pay, select Pay, come right here, put the amount right, and click on this pay right here. Can you see this pay right here? Just tap on it, and once you tap on it here, you know, you don't need to. Pay is going to ask you, how would you like to pay? Would you like to pay with debit card? Would you like to pay with bank transfer? Would you like to pay with bank? So all you need to do right here, if you want to pay with debit card, is to select it and put your card details. And if you want to pay with bank transfer, come right here, click on bank transfer, and click on this I understand instruction, and you need to read the instruction first before you click on it. Then click on this continue right here, and you see the continue, tap on it, and Pay is going to provide account number you're going to be making payment to, right? Easy peasy. All you need to do is to make payment to the account number. You don't need to do anything. Your payment will automatically reflect your Grow Better balance, right? So let me show you guys how to use manual. If you want to use manual, just come right here, drop down, and come and select manual. Read the instruction. Instruction actually stated, kindly make payment to the account number below. You can see the account number, you can see the beneficiary. They say do not send below 1,000, it won't be refunded. They say provide proof of payment screenshots with your username so that your payment can be confirmed and completed. Click on this link to get directed to our admin contact us, right? So all you need to do right here is to make payment to the account number and send them your proof of payment, right? And how do you send it? You just need to click on this contact us or click on this WhatsApp icon right here. Can you see this WhatsApp icon? Or tap on it to take you to the WhatsApp, send them proof of payment and your Grow Better username, and they are going to confirm your payment for you, right? So this is exactly how to fund an account in this platform. So let's go back to TikTok to know if these followers have started coming in, all right? So you guys remember before we placed an order in this platform, right? We had 3,887 followers, right? As you can see, we still have 3,887 followers. So how then do we know that these followers have started coming? All we need to do is to just drop down right here and refresh and boom, you can see we currently have 3,906 followers, which means that these followers have started coming in easy peasy. So for you to actually confirm that this is real, let's click on this notification so that you see that these followers are just coming in now. You can see currently we have new 21 followers that just came in now, and once you tap on it, you can see the followers are coming in now. 1 minute ago, 1 minute ago, 1 minute ago, 2 minutes ago, and now, right? So even if we go back again and refresh again, you see that they are still going to increase. You can see it's currently 3,908 followers. So this is exactly how it will be coming until it's complete, right? So all you need to do is to come to this platform, create an account, do exactly the same thing I just did. The link is in the description. Tap on it to take you to the website, right? Easy peasy, right? So thank you all for watching and see you guys in my next video.